Alright, we're going to make our strawberry mousse perfect for Valentine's Day. I have one into the small bowl that I'm putting 2 tablespoons of cold water. Sprinkle this 1 envelope of Knox Unflavored Gelatin. And just going to stir around. And we're going to let this gelatin to set for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to set these for 2 or 3. After it's going to be dissolved. And the gelatin just set after 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to pour additional boiling water with 1/4 cup. Just melt that gelatin after it's just set. And I have fresh strawberries that I measure only 1 cup that after it's been pureed. I use it into the food processor. And I use a sieve to get all the seeds out. Here's what the strawberry puree looks like. And we're going to add dissolved melted gelatin right into the strawberry puree. And you can go ahead, just stir it. And we're going to whip up with the cream. Now to whip it up, we're going to take a frozen minute bowl. I'm going to pour 1 cup. Then I'm going to use heavy cream. You can try with heavy whipping cream. I'm going to sprinkle 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar with 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You can try strawberry extract if you have in the house. It's going to taste a lot of strawberry flavor. If you don't mind, it is up to you. We're going to over whip it until it's thickened. That looks just perfectly whipped. As you can see, how fluff on the whipped cream. And now we're going to gradually plop on the whipped cream to the strawberry and gelatin mixture. I'm going to use a rubber spatula to scrape all the whipped cream, don't want to waste that. And I just already transfer it into the regular mixing bowl with the strawberry puree, and I'm going to fold it in. Can you see that? After it's just folded, look at that color, a brighter pink. Now I'm going to put this into the dessert cup for each individuals. This dessert cup is just looks like this one. I'm going to use the one with the ice cream scooper to scoop each of those just about halfway. But I'm just giving you guys a closer look at you can able to see those camera that I'm scooping all the way. This batter has to be on the halfway through, but do not go all the way. You see that? I'm just scooping all over. That looks perfect. And you can give that a little jiggle to spread it over. So I'm going to see how many are they for the individuals. Right, I just made only 5 dessert cups. I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap. You just want to place it onto the cookie sheet and refrigerate for 1 hour until the mousse is all set. Right, I just placed it onto cookie sheets. That might be an easy way to carry those. Refrigerate this for 1 hour that I covered tightly with some plastic wrap. I'll be back. Here we are. After it's been 1 hour, I just took it out from the refrigerator. Now you can remove the plastic wrap. Hopefully the mousse is almost getting set. We're going to ready to garnish. I'm hoping it's going to be just include for the Be My Valentine. And I love the color of the pink. Really bright. I'm just giving you guys a closer look. I top it with some Cool Whip onto the mousse. Added some half of the strawberries. The Cool Whip and the remaining strawberries as going to be the garnish for the presentations. And here you go. You have a finished, easy strawberry mousse. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view all videos you watch before sharing. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Don't forget to smash the like button. As always, happy Valentine's Day.